Hi all, this is Avni and today I would be demonstrating app binding. So currently I have my Node.js app which is not connected to a database as we all can see over here. And so if I go on and try to add any entity, it would not happen. So what we essentially need first is to add a database, which would be a Postgres database. And so here in topology, we can see that our database is coming up. And so now the developer wants to establish a connection between the database and his imported app. So how do we do that? For that, we would be first applying two labels to our Node.js app by going under Actions and Edit Labels. So here we can see there are two labels which are connects to equal Postgres and environment equal demo. So these are essentially markers or identifiers for our service binding operator for it to let know that my app wants to connect to the database. So I'll save those labels. And now I want to make a service binding request. So I'll again go to import YAML and create a service binding request. Over here we can see that here's a backbone match labels, which has two labels underneath it, connects to Postgres environment demo, and the resource kind is deployment config. Backing service selector has resource kind, resource version, and resource ref as our DB name. So we'll create the request and we'll go to topology. So previously we were supporting secrets and now we also support a config map feature from which the service binding operator can read all the necessary metadata for the database. So now the DB can be recognized as our DB demo. And if we go to save a fruit in it, it would be a success. So this is how effectively the service binding request is making a developer's life easier by just making a request and letting it know that it wants to connect to a database. Yeah, that's it for the demo. Thank you.